Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. This one is truly random. I think I only got about 13 items, and it is totally truly random from what I normally do, but I wanted to get some like camping kind of stuff. First off, I got some AAAs. I got some AA's for flashlights. I got these 32 count match boxes. I got those. I got a 6-pack of tissues. 2 of these really long glass kind of like emergency ish candles. I picked up 2 of those, and I got some sandwich picks. They seem to be a little bit longer than toothpicks. I just grabbed those random, and those are at the register actually. And this is new to me, but I had to grab one, an LED camping light. There is a 2-in-1 flashlight and camping light. It takes 3 AA's. So I thought it was cool. They had them in red and blue. And then I just picked up this random little LED black flashlight here. So it's going to be a really quick random haul. More random items. I picked up a 4 packs of seeds. So tomatoes, cucumber, watermelon, and carrots. Also, did you know that you can grow tomatoes from tomato slices and carrots from the end of the carrot? Anyways, you can do potatoes the same way. Most of you probably already know that. Anyways, yeah, so picked up some seeds, and then our last few items are my favorite picks from the stop today. Actually, I went down 2 aisles, so that's why this is so small. I did a speed run because I didn't want to get caught up too much in the Dollar Tree today. Moving on from the emergency preparedness kind of stuff and camping, I got a Old Williamsburg mahogany coconut that smells really good in the jar. And then also a new one is also from the same brand, and it says Born to Shine. This one smells actually really good as well. And the last item I actually picked up was a nail polish, and this is in Spellbound $189. So I'll try to insert some pictures of this. I may paint my nails using this. It's probably going to take 2 or 3 coats. You can see through the bottle there, so it's kind of sheer, but it's really beautiful green. It's definitely a fall shade, but because it's got all that gold in there, I think you could pull it off in the spring as well. So very beautiful nail polish. So that is my small Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree hauls. Don't forget to check the description box for additional Dollar Tree links. Thank you always for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already.